Addition and subtractions. Addition. Addition is adding two different objects or numbers which results in its total sum. Examples: 1 apple plus 2 apples equals 3 apples. Other examples: 2 oranges plus 2 oranges equals 4 oranges. Other examples: 2 lollipops plus 3 lollipops equals 5 lollipops. Subtraction. Subtraction is taking away one object from another set of objects. Examples: 2 apples minus 1 apple equals 1 apple. Other examples: 4 candies minus 2 candies equals 2 candies. Other examples: 5 pencils minus 1 pencil equals 4 pencils. Thank you for learning addition and subtraction today, students.